Hello, my loved ones, my beautiful ones, and I do well for my body. All of them when they watch my video, God bless you. Whenever they watch, when this video come across you, I beg watch. As they watch, God go bless you too. We want to talk how we need to appreciate our parents. Most of us abandon our parents. We don't know so we get parents. Before we go there, don't fail to like, subscribe, share, and comment. That button touch am. When you go touch am, when another video dey come, you go be the first person to grab am. How should we do it? And that comment box, anything when you see for this video, when you notice, put am there. God bless you all. Yes, we don't come back. We won't talk about our parents. I discover say most of us no remember say we get parents. I discover say most of us don't abandon our parents. And e no too good. Because these our parents don't do many things for our body. This appreciation, when we want to appreciate our parents, now in form of to tell them say una do well for what una do for us from small till our age, as we don't big so. And the thing say una be like say we want pay back, but we no fit pay back for what they do for us. But that thing that appreciation and that love, now to pay back. But as I talk, no fit pay back. Because they deserve respect from us. They deserve care from us. Because they're too much. Imagine somebody from small. Then take you go primary school. You go secondary school. You go higher institution. And you still they go. You see opportunity when our parents give us, say too much. Then try for us. That's why they need our appreciation. Even apart from school, in case someone say, mama, papa, I no go school. I need handwork. They'll go learn how to sew cloth. Some go learn how to make hair. Even mechanics, some go learn. Not be school, they go learn how to repair cars. Different kind of things, they go learn now. An opportunity when our parents give us. You know, say our mothers, our fathers too much. So we need all these things. As we need all those things from our parents, we need to return back to them, say, una do well for us. We need to appreciate them. We need to show them that love for what they do. They say, when everyone else, when they turn their back on you, now your parents, they there for you. Don't say, sunshine, rainfall, in the night, in the morning, in the afternoon. Any condition, even when you're sick, now your parents, they there for you. Even when other people don't care, they don't mind. Why you not go return that thing back for her? Why you not go tell and say you love her? Even God so they love us, so they only one son when he get. He say go, die for them. Because of what? Because of love. That's why, because of the love, when our mother show to us, we need to return the love for them. You see, even our parents, you remember say, they're shaping our future for us. What I mean? And then make us be who we be today. If not be them, we no go fit. You know, say, our parents too much. That's what Bible say, honor your father and your mother, so that your day will be long. You see, they need respect. Because we learn many things from them. Even wisdom. They even teach us many things. Our parents too much. As Bible talks so, honor your father and your mother. Now, Exodus 20, verse 12. I ain't talking. Go there, go read, so that you go see what I talk. Even Proverbs 23, verse 25. He say, make your father and your mother happy. But there, what he put on, he say, glad. He say, make them happy. How you go make your father and your mother happy for their old age? Like some people now, they don't do many years, they never remember to call their parents. They don't remember whether they get mama or they get papa. some you no fit get money, everything not be money. If you near your parents, it dey easy. The distance not too far. E no stop you. Go your parents' house, clean the house for them, soup everywhere. Not too much. E not too much if you bath your parents, make them clean, make them neat. E not too much. E not too much if you cook for your parents. E not too much if your parents still dey agile. There's like some people when some of them when they get farm. If you go farm, help them go farm. E not too much for you. Okay, maybe where you dey far. Not too much if you dey call your parents. Ask them how dem dey. Una don eat? Mama, papa, how are you today? Not too much. Okay, leave that one aside. If God give you power, capacity. If you build mansion for your parents, e not too much. If you buy car, you put driver to dey drive your parents around, e not too much, because you get the power. If you get maid when you go dey cook for your parents, if you get the capacity, e not too much. Once in a while, if you take your parents for checkup, e not too much for you if you get the power. That is why what you they try to do, they try to tell them say we love them. They try to tell them say what you gonna do for us. Nobody do it for us. That's why that song, Sweet Mother.
Sweet mother, sweet mother, I no go forget you. For the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I no go forget you. For the suffer where you suffer for me.
But why you say get as it be? The song, you know, balance. You know why? They for still sing for fathers. Because get some fathers when be say they do more than mothers as they do. They for sing for fathers too. Not only mothers when I go sing for now. You know, see and say you know balance. You see, it not be our parents, we no fit be who we be today. That's why we need to tell them say, Papa, Mama, we love you. We appreciate you. Call them. If you go house, if this is modern technology, like you carry phone now, let them press. Tell us, oh yeah, do this one, you with them. Don't say our parents, when they done the old, they do like children. You go they play with them. You know, see them. If you take and waka around, it's not too bad. If you carry them, take and go somewhere. If like abroad, you get the way that they do parents, they will take them, go like disco hall, they'll just dance, they do all those kind of things. If you do them, it's not too bad. They'll feel happy, they'll feel relaxed, give them long life. You see them, it's good. When we appreciate our parents. You go say, me I no get mama, no get papa. No. Somebody bring you up now. Who make you be who you be today? That one self na your parents too. Don't forget that. Try. Do what you need to do. You see what the Bible says? The Bible says, listen to your father. Listen to me. Listen to your father. And the same place say, do not despise your mother when she's old. You see that thing? You get weight. You get what I discover. I discover say, if your parents pray for you, your mother, your father pray for you, my brother, my sisters, no outsider when you go pray for you, when you go walk like the prayer when your mother and your father pray for you. And at the same time, if your father tell you say he no go well with you, your mother tell you say he no go well with you, now so they be. Why they talk this thing? If you get any problem with your parents, with your father, with your mother, I beg, go amend them. Not as your shoulder up say you don't get a heaven and earth. No. If you get one, after your parents don't return those calls from you, they don't bless you, you will get two. Not such a different day there. And nothing like when your parents, they're happy with you. And you get waiting Bible talk again. That can shock me. You say, Father, don't provoke your children. And if you watch them, I can't sense them. I think I make somehow. Get some fathers who be say, you get where children, they will abandon their children, they will run, go another place. They will forget say they get children. After the parent don't suffer, the mother don't suffer, take care of the children. Maybe one way or the other, the mother not come their life. And the father, when abandon the children, I come their life. You know, say, go get as it be. It is difficult for that child or that man, that woman, that girl, that boy, to bring out in heart or her heart, say, yes, I will do this thing for my father because of waiting don't happen. Because maybe when the baby don't grow, he don't big, God gonna bless him because you don't know firewood when they reach farm. When he be say he in position now to help the father, as he say the mother when he take care of no day again, not say they go hard for that person to help him. But what you want talk here now, forgiveness won't talk, more na try, more na forgive. Bible say forgive. And I won't use this opportunity to tell our parents or our fathers, mothers not too much, they're not too many when they do this thing. More na not they do this kind of thing, e no good. More na not they abandon our children with only on our wife. I just say no concern on her because nobody know wetin tomorrow won't be. I beg, any people they don't do and people when don't do and it don't pass. But I won't use this opportunity to tell us, say fathers when they abandon their children, I beg. If you get that mind, you no do them because you don't know tomorrow. No abandon your children. Try your best. What you will do to make sure those children come out. Because tomorrow, they will be in position to do what you not expect for you. Not say because you can take care of yourself and not need them. Because nobody know tomorrow. Tomorrow if you need them. Everything not be money. You see, that's why we use this opportunity to talk this thing. Because we discover say many of us we abandon our parents and you're not too good. When we use this opportunity to show them love. Say we love them. We appreciate what they do for us. You see, that's why I use the opportunity to make this video for all of us. I beg, wanna share this video. God bless all of us.